said we can't do it all, but I really think that I can sometimes, and I really want to. Does anybody agree with me? My goodness, I feel like we all have that problem. So what they were saying is successful people say no most of the time. And really successful people say no to almost everything. Like, what? That's so hard to do because we seriously think we can do it all. So to focus, we can't be successful at all of it if we're trying to read 10 books at the same time and create content and try and split test and help our team and master all the headlines perfectly and be in all the groups and master social media. So to pick the first one and master it before you go to the next, that's where my mind goes crazy, because if you make everything a priority, nothing is a priority. Because I have my list on the whiteboard, right? I need to get this done, this done, this done, and somehow all of them have a star next to it, like their top priority. But that makes none of them priority. So to focus, my to-do list, I have like 857 things. All those things, plus homeschooling 4 kids, plus traveling full-time on adventures, plus planning meals, right? Like there's so many things to do. So pick that first one and make it a priority, like the wish list. Like don't stop all the other things, but have them on the wish list so that they're coming. But know that you're not gonna do them all today. And that's where I really fail, is because I try to get I think I'm gonna do them all today.